Hello guys, welcome back to the Christian Durante video. So Christian gets a notification on his phone that someone has broken into Christian house. But Gia is not in home and someone has been detected at the front door of Christian house and Christian does not know who it is. And Christian starts getting very worried that who can break into the new house. And then Christian comes back home in a few minutes. And when Christian comes inside the house, no one is at home. And Christian cat is safe in the house and then Christian starts checking the house and Christian wants to find out who could be trying to break into the house. And Christian is carefully checking every corner of the house but Christian does not find anyone in the house. Then Christian thinks that maybe there is a bug in the camera. Then when Christian checks the footage, in the footage there is actually someone on the garage side and Christian recognizes that person and this person is Christian neighbor and then it is seen that this neighbor breaks into Christian house from the garage side and Christian is shocked to see this neighbor action and then in the footage it is seen that the neighbor starts going upstairs and then Christian gets very angry at this illegal act of his neighbor and then Christian finds this neighbor in the garage and Christian gets surprised and upset to find the neighbor in the garage and then Christian is asking the neighbor why he broke into the house. But the neighbor starts arguing with Christian unnecessarily and the neighbor is not admitting his mistake. And Christian neighbor also threatens to call the cops. But the neighbor is not coming out of the garage and Christian thinks this neighbor is a psycho. And Christian does not understand what problem this neighbor has with me. And Christian is worried about what to do with this neighbor and while the neighbor is showing mischief to Christian and Christian is surprised at the neighbor's acting. But then when Christian is about to close the garage door to lock the neighbor runs away and Christian thinks this neighbor is crazy. And Christian admits that it was my fault that I left the garage open. And then Christian wants to inform Gia about this bad neighbor so that Gia will also be careful. And Christian calls Gia and Gia is informed about the whole situation. And Gia also gets scared knowing about the neighbor. And Gia says that the cop should be informed about this neighbor quickly.